You understand the first question? So that is what it is happening. So in this, let us see let's try to finish the section A first. So this is what it is. So it is an exothermic reaction as well as it will give you the basic compound. So it will be basic in nature. So means in the sense of it will convert red litmus to which litmus? Red litmus to blue color. So that is why it will answer the which litmus. It will answer the yesterday you maybe see that it will answer the which litmus. It will answer the red litmus. So that is why it will the pH value is more than 7. So that is why option 2 and 3 is correct. So option 2 and 3 matching at the 3 option B. So that is why option B is the correct answer. Next question. Please read.
A student added dilute HCl to zinc granules taken in a test tube as shown in figure. The correct observation would be.
Yeah. So observe very carefully. Zinc granules. I will say zinc granules means you people maybe don't know, but I will say zinc means you people know. Zinc granules means also contains little impurities. Granules means it also contains little impurities. Is it okay, guys? Always we will take zinc, pure zinc, not zinc granules, because these impurities will help in fastest formation of the gas which is taking place here. Okay, so that is also we have importance of this zinc granules also. So that is why always we'll consider zinc granules here. So kindly all of you observe this picture or tell me what is the change in it. Actually it is the characteristics of chemical
Evolution of gas.
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 Zinc granules turns green, formation of precipitate, evolution of gas. So it is under what? Evolution of gas. So as we know, this is the characteristics of second characteristics of chemical equation. That is what? HCl will react with zinc, which will give you ZnCl2, zinc chloride plus hydrogen.
H2.
So
Hydrogen.
it is an example of evolution of gas. Yes or no?
Yes,
That
sir.
is, so that is why it is the correct answer. Next, coming to the third question. So what is the third question? Read all of you.
What happens
when calcium is treated
calcium
with
is
the
treated with
water?
water?
Calcium is treated with the water. Then what will happen?
It reacts violently with water.
Yeah,
Two
it
and four.
reacts violently with the water. Next one.
Bubbles of hydrogen. Yes, sir. 2 and 4, sir.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah,
Surface of
option
Sir, it is in the.
not there.
It is
Yes,
not
sir.
in the option.
So be very careful. Think very carefully.
Less violently only, no,
So
sir.
as
Less
you know-
violent, sir.
Yes,
Less
Sir,
listen.
4 will
violent, sir.
come.
Not
Will come, sir.
violently. Not violently. Listen. As
Yes,
we
sir.
know.
3 and
as
4,
the-
sir. 3
Yes.
and 4.
As we have studied, only sodium and potassium will react violently with
Yes,
the
sir.
water. Calcium
water.
will react normally with the water. Understanding? Less than them. So less
Yes, sir.
violently.
Moderately. 3
Yes,
and 4,
less
sir.
violently with the water, and as well as it will form a bubbles of hydrogen.
Bubbles of
And
hydrogen.
it will
Yes,
float,
sir.
sir.
That is only. So that is you should understand. So calcium will react with that too. I think that paragraph, tabular column, you can check it. Cold water, hot water, cold water only. Yes, or
Cold
no?
water.
Cold
sir.
water.
Cold water only. Yes, Dina, but
Yes, sir.
it will be less reactive. Understanding? Not that much. So we used to get what? Calcium oxide plus it will form hydrogen gas.
Hydrogen.
Yes or no? Please respond. Yes, guys.
Yes, sir.
So that is why.
Yes,
So
sir.
3 and 4 both are correct. So 3 and 4, which option it is showing? Option 3 and 4
D.
showing at the option D. Are you clear what I'm saying? Arvind?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
sir.
Karthikeyan, Madhumita, Prahasini. Try to read the question. Reading skills is most important now. Varshini, you also. So that is why you are committing mistakes. You people are not reading the question properly. Tough questions also, you have to read carefully. For example, let me say one question. Yesterday they asked, what is the given compound is oil of vitriol they asked. Yes or no, guys? Oil of
Yes,
vitriol.
sir.
Sulfuric
So
acid.
very
sir.
simple.
Sulfuric
Yes,
acid.
you all most of you have done well, but very few they have been done mistake. Oil of vitriol. Vitriol means immediately you may remember either blue vitriol,
Sulfate, sir.
yeah, blue
Sulfate.
vitriol,
Blue
or
vitriol, white vitriol.
Green
Yeah,
vitriol.
green
White
vitriol.
vitriol.
so green vitriol. So blue vitriol means as we know CuSO4. Green vitriol So what it is? FeSO4.
FeSO4.
Next, what is the white vitriol?
White vitriol.
White vitriol.
Zinc SO4.
Yeah, ZnSO4. So that is. So here you can see it is a vitriol, oil of vitriol. Means definitely what is present? SO4 is present.
Sulfate.
SO4 is present. Sulfate in which acids? Given acids there. Only one acid, that is called
Sulfuric.
sulfuric
Sulfuric
acid. Yes, but they have not given the formula. Have you checked it? They have not given the formula.
Yes, sir.
Correct now? So that is the analyzing skills. Even first question also. How many, which compound contains 4 hydrogens they are asking. Correct now?
Acetic
So,
acid.
Yeah,
Acetic acid.
acetic acid. Even that is the only known formula for us. Yes or no? Known formula for us is acetic acid only. So what is that? CH3COOH. Yes or no?
CH3OOH.
Yeah, CH3COOH. CH3COOH. CH3COOH means what? It will be CH3COOH. So here 3 hydrogens and here 1 hydrogen. Totally how many hydrogens? 4 hydrogens. That's all. That is also people have done mistakes so many. So this is also, please remember, white vitriol, those who don't know. Zinc sulfate, ZnSO4. And what is the another name of zinc sulfate? What is the water of crystallization? The tabular column you may see.
Seven.
Yes, sir. For which one, sir? 7 zinc sulfate, 7H2O.
7H2. What is the name of that? Another name? Another name in the tabular column?
Sir, decahydrate.
Yeah.
Heptahydrate.
Common name. Another common name. Another common name will be
White
there.
vitriol only, sir.
Is it white vitriol? Okay, very good. So that is what you have to understand. You have to make it everything clear. Analyzing skills is most. If you are reading the question properly, you people can make it. That's all. That is what I can suggest you. Understand, right, everybody? So write it. Next question. Read.
Yes, sir.
Karthikeyan. Reading skills is most important. Read the question in a proper way where you people can survive for a long period of time. That is what I will suggest. So do it now. Next 4th question. Dina, read. Others, you people call each one. Try for it. Absent is lot of absent is there. Let them join 6 o'clock also. What is happening for them? Okay, right. The dash substance is a process. The dash is a process in which one or more substance known as reactant converted into one or more different substances known as
Chemical
Chemical
reaction.
reaction.
Chemical
changes.
reaction, sir. Chemical
reactions.
reaction.
All of the above physical changes. What they are asking. So above read
Chemical
carefully.
reaction.
It is called as
Chemical
chemical reactions because it is more than one reactant and more than one product is obtaining.
Right.
So no, that is known as chemical reaction only. So then chemical reaction only it will have possible. Next, which are the following type of medicines used for
Antacid.
Antacid. Antacid.
indigestion?
Antacid.
Indigestion, which is as well we know that
Antacid.
acids. Next, which of the following statement is correct regarding to physical changes? Physical changes. Physical changes means you have to remember chemical
Physical change,
composition
no new
remains
substances found.
No,
Yeah.
sir, no new
No
substances
new
found.
substances
Option
found.
B, sir.
Option B,
Very
sir.
good.
Option B, sir.
Option B. Option B. Why? There is no new substances.
Because there is no
Yes,
new
sir.
substances found.
Yes, there is no new substances will form. That is what. So here under RLs, no new substances not. Chemical composition remains unchanged. That is also correct. Do you understand what I'm saying? Chemical composition
Yes, sir.
remains unchanged. Is called as physical changes only. That is you have to remember.
Sir, but it is given substances
Stand
change.
is changed they have given. It's not fixed. Change they have given. That is why it is wrong. Okay. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next question. Read. Which of the following is a feasible reaction they are asking?
Option B, sir. Option B.
Which of the following is
Option
feasible?
B, sir.
What do you mean by feasible reaction? That is you have to
Which
say.
reaction will take place?
Yes. Listen, what do you mean by feasible reaction means which of the following reactions will take place they are asking. So that's all, nothing will be there. Now, let us go with the starting reaction. Now, barium and potassium, who is more reactive?
No, sir.
Barium
Potassium is more reactive.
Potassium is more reactive
So
than
that,
barium.
Karthikeyan, open your mouth so that no reaction will take place. Next, magnesium and sodium, who is more reactive?
No reaction. will
Sodium
take
is
place.
more reactive.
So that no reaction will take place. Next, copper and magnesium.
Magnesium
who
is more reactive
This also no
Magnesium.
reaction.
Is more reactive, then it is also
Neon.
not going to take place. But zinc and
Zinc and-
silver, who is more reactive?
Zinc.
Zinc,
Zinc
sir.
is
Zinc,
more
sir.
reactive.
Zinc.
Because here zinc is alone. Always we have to check alone one. The metal element which is present is more reactive than the metal which is present in the combined state. Yes or no, guys?
Yes,
That is
sir.
how it is.
Yes, sir.
So zinc is here more reactive than the silver nitrate, so that it will form zinc nitrate plus silver. So please kindly learn the zinc nitrate formula. See, magnesium sulfate, copper sulfate, barium sulfate, all normal only, because all valencies is
Zinc NO3 twice.
Yeah.
Two,
Is
sir.
it
so
NO3
that is
twice?
what. So be very careful. Nitrate is -1 and
Minus
it
1.
is +1, +2.
Yes, sir.
That is why it
+2.
becomes ZnNO3, ZnNO3 twice. So kindly remember that. So this is
Yes,
the
sir.
reaction which will take place. This is called feasible reaction, means which will possible, which will the reaction will carried out. That is all. So zinc plus silver nitrate will give you zinc nitrate plus silver. That's all. Are you understand, Ra? Next.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, next question. NaCl plus H2SO4 will give you what? Sodium sulfate. I think this,
Na2SO4.
this-
H2 gas, sir.
yeah, this question yesterday also
H2,
came, I
H2,
think.
sir.
Is it correct,
Yes,
Nitish?
sir.
Yes, Nitish? Yesterday also this question came, I think.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So which gas, which of the following gas will produce? So
H2 gas.
H2SO4 will give you which gas, Ra?
Hydrogen gas.
Hydrogen gas.
But I don't think so. You people are not thinking brain. So hydrogen gas means, then what about the chlorine? Where the chlorine will go?
HCl.
Yes,
HCl.
sir.
Be little careful. Be little careful. Little careful. That is what I was
HCl.
saying.
Sir, this one is the double displacement reaction only, no, sir.
You people are trying to hurry in choosing answer, but this hurry leads to the mistakes only. See, the example is, this is the question. See, you people, you all choose an hydrogen, but hydrogen is wrong because it is the
HCl.
double displacement reaction. Have you noticed it? So
Yes, sir.
here,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
sodium, that is what I'm suggesting. Then what is the use of practicing? You are in such a hurry. Why we need to hurry? You tell me. What is the use of hurry here? People are go slowly and correctly answer. Perfectness I want. Now I don't want to run faster. Remember that. So the double displacement reaction. Sodium will replace hydrogen, as we know. So hydrogen is less reactive than sodium. So it will form sodium sulfate. Next, hydrogen is reactive with the chlorine. It will form what? Hydrochloric acid.
HCl.
Understand? Hydrochloric acid.
Yes, sir.
Not any other thing. That is you have to understand. Yesterday one question came. Do you remember? Which are the following? So the substance which you will use in production of
Hydrogen sulfide question,
no.
sir.
What is the pH value of the given chosen substance? They are asking 1 to 3. Do you ever notice that? That 1 to
Yes,
3.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Case
sir.
based,
HCl,
sir.
sir.
That
That HCl. Do you remember?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
right? That is. But please call to option this. Nobody is joined it. What is this nonsense? Okay. Tarani, understand, Tarani?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, be little careful. See, hydrogen and HCl, where is the comparison? It is not the single product, it is a double displacement reaction. So, yeah, I know that, see, most of you answered hydrogen only, but hydrogen is the wrong answer. But you people will feel that it is a correct answer and you will come with the confidence. But that is what, don't be always in a hurry. Be little wait and think carefully and choose the answer. That is, next question, read. Acids reacts with the metal. Be careful. That is a basic
Metal
reaction.
carbonates.
Salt
Carbon
and
dioxide.
hydrogen.
When which gas is evolved when acids react?
Carbon
Hydrogen.
dioxide,
Hydrogen.
sir.
Carbon dioxide.
Metal
Carbon dioxide and water, sir. So carbon dioxide. Sir.
Yeah.
Carbon
That is also. Here also see. Here also people are saying that hydrogen gas only. Somebody said hydrogen gas. Who said hydrogen gas? Yalini?
Sir, that metal and acid, sir. I didn't see metal carbonate.
It's not metal and that is you have to remember. It is not metal and
Okay, sir.
what is that? Acid. It is metal and what?
Metal carbonate. Metal carbonate and acid.
Yeah. So yesterday also the same question came. Have you remembered which one will give you the carbon dioxide gas? Have you remembered the products? Which are the following substances?
Yes,
will release, yeah, that is. So 1 minute, it is not functioning. I want to end it and I want to make it again. That is so. As we know, here they are asking which gas is evolved when acids react with the metal carbonates. So as we know, metals react with
NO2.
Metal carbonates, we used to get the carbon dioxide. That's all. Next, which reaction is used in photography? Photography reaction. So you can understand
Photolytic, sir.
photolytic reaction.
D, sir. Option
Sir,
D.
option D.
Option
D, sir.
is
Silver
decomposition.
from
Silver chloride,
Sunlight is
silver bromide, and silver
Yes, sir.
iodide.
AgB.
Yeah,
Silver bromide will give silver and bromide.
silver chloride, silver bromide, silver iodide. Three equations I have taught you. Correct, Ra?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So formation of silver and bromine, that is. So which option is correct? Option D is
D,
the.
sir.
Option D, sir.
So carefully how to analyze. Next, given this is the biology. Again, as I said, correct. This is what our expected question. Yes. So yesterday also have I remembered that after the Bowman capsule, it will be reaches to the what? Branch of retinal vein. No, a rental artery. Somewhere it is entrance. What is that? Yesterday option came. So it is the what?
Dye something came.
Yes, yes. Yeah. So the given diagram is the structure of everybody chosen Bowman capsule only, but Bowman capsule is not. After Bowman capsule, this part.
B, sir. Option B is answer, sir.
So what they are asking, you can.
Proximal.
Given diagram is the structure.
Dye
Of,
with or something.
yeah, structure of nephron. It is the nephron structure. Correct? Ra? It is a
Yes,
nephron.
sir.
yes, sir.
So that is the known thing directly to us. Next, the exchange of gases in a plants can be done through what?
All of the above, sir.
Roots, roots, leaves, all of the above. So 12th question, all of. So it will
All
take.
of the
Yes,
above.
sir.
Even I have taught you the examples, everything. Examples, correct? Which will be surface
Yes,
of
sir.
plants, roots and leaves. Surface of plants, what is that name called as? Anybody can see? Surface of plants, what is that name called as?
Stomata.
Leaves, sir.
Tomato, na. One,
Leaves, sir.
Or root.
The
na.
surface of the leaf only stomata, sir.
The surface of plant on the plant in the sense of on the
Stem.
Stem, sir.
on the stem we have some black color nodes where the gases exchange will take place. That name I
Lenticels.
Ah,
Lenticels. Lenticels.
very good name.
Lenticels.
What? That is, you people won't remember. That is what little bit tricky questions. All of you should concentrate xylem, phylum, and root pressures. That osmosis, reverse, that osmosis, and next, what is that?
Diffusion.
Diffusion. That
Diffusion.
kindly remember. And if my guess is true, definitely in final exam, xylem fibers and phloem fibers, definitely they will ask you. Definitely one question surely will come. Remember that. That is next. Various maintenance process are needed to. What is that various maintenance process? Maintenance process. Maintenance
Even
process.
damage and breakdown.
Huh?
Release energy, sir.
Release energy, sir.
Various maintenance process are needed.
Sir,
Maintenance process. Maintenance process needs always preventive damage and breakdown.
prevent damage and breakdown, sir.
Prevent damage and breakdown. Remember that. So that is so maintenance process inside the biological system. Always energy need to release. It needs to be prevent the damage from the body. Means from the outsides. If you want to maintenance all the processes in the body, so it should not be affected from the other outside things. That is the part prevent damage. Damage should not be takes place from the pathogens or any other things. And also energy should be released. Energy should be released means what? Something should be break down. What is that? Food only. Correct? Ra? That food
Yes, sir.
respiration reaction should be break down and it needs to release the energy. That is what. So next, breakdown of pyruvate using oxygen takes place.
Mitochondria, sir.
Huh?
Awesome, sir.
Mitochondria, sir.
Mitochondria, sir.
This is what I said. Pyruvate
No,
is
sir,
the
cytoplasm.
no. Whenever you will get pyruvate using oxygen, definitely it is what under oxygen. Check
Human
it.
beings, sir.
Under takes place
Mitochondria only, sir.
mitochondria only, not cytoplasm. Please remember that is what,
Cytoplasm,
Okay, sir,
everywhere
okay, sir.
cytoplasm only, sir.
read the question. Yeah, read the question. You people can understand. It is a direct question which have been studied. Properties of mitochondria. Do you remember?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Properties of mitochondria. We have been studied that. Yes or no? But you people are not
Yes,
able to answer. So a breakdown of pyruvate using oxygen takes place in the mitochondria. It has the
Mitochondria.
presence of oxygen. Not that is you have to remember that. Okay. So next. Next question. What causes cramps in our muscles during sudden activity? See, the question change.
Option A, sir.
Yes.
The pyruvate gets converted into lactic acid to release energy.
Release of energy, sir.
Very good. So this cramp will takes place in where lack of oxygen in
Lactic acid, sir.
Lactic oxygen, sir.
in human beings only. Correct, guys? It
Yes,
will
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Human
Lack
muscles,
of
sir.
oxygen
Yes,
means
yes,
lack.
very good. So it is, see, question changes in opposite direction. They are asking reverse manner. They are asking. Do you remember? So the cramps in our muscles. So cramps in our muscles will release us what? As we know, lactic acid. As
Lactic acid.
release of energy it will get. Correct, Arvind?
Yes, sir.
Clear part? That is. So what causes cramps in our muscles during sudden activity? It is lack of oxygen. It will, when it will takes place, less percentage of unavailability of oxygen only. So then pyruvate get converting into what? Lactic acid, and also it will release what? Releases the
Energy.
energy. So that is what,
Energy.
this is the correct answer. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next, during the process of respiration in plants, the direction of diffusion of oxygen and carbon dioxide depends upon the what? Direction.
Both, sir, both A and B.
Both A and B. Very good. That is really.
Yes, sir. Both A and B.
Because the diffusion of oxygen and carbon dioxide depends upon the environmental conditions.
Environmental condition
Because if
and
it
the
is,
requirements of
yeah,
plants.
and also requirement of the plant. Suppose if they want oxygen more during night time, by the time what will happen? It cannot carry out the photosynthesis, and by the time it cannot even release the oxygen, because when it needs oxygen, it will take from outside. When it is suppose daytime, when it don't want suppose it cannot carbon dioxide, it won't release daytime. What will happen? It will absorb the carbon dioxide from the surroundings. Correct or not? So that is the environmental conditions, means daytime, nighttime, rainy day, sunny day. That is it will decides the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide gases, and as well as requirement of the plant. Whenever it needs more carbon dioxide, it will open the stomatal pore and it will take. Whenever it don't want, it will close the stomatal pores. Yes or no, guys? Yes, that is why.
Yes.
So the environmental conditions as well as the requirement of the plants both are necessary to exchange of gases, of diffusion of oxygen and carbon dioxide. That is you have to remember. Understand, Arvind? Next, the ratio of the refractive index of red light to the blue light is in air is less than unity or equal to unity or greater than unity, they are asking. So please check its
Sir,
speed.
red light to blue light
Less
means
than unity.
greater, sir.
Less than unity,
Greater
sir.
than you.
The refractive indices. Remember,
Less than
Oh,
unity.
Less than,
refractive
sir.
indexes,
then they are asking in air.
Yes,
Air
sir.
maximum, correct or not? Refractive index is
equal, sir.
no. Refractive index of air
Also
is
less than unity.
1, correct or not? So you have to check it. The
Yes,
refractive
sir.
index.
For blue 10, sir.
Air, what is the refractive index of air? It is like in the sense of the ratio of the refractive index of red light. It is just partial colors. The complete light will be white light will be refractive index is 1. So little careful. So the red light to the blue light they are asking. So red light to the blue light means who is
1:10.
careful. Yeah. So the ratio of the refractive index of red light with respect to air, what will happen? White light, it will be that you have to compare it with air. They are asking. So with air, what will happen? It will be they are the individual part of the main light, correct? White light. So it will be what?
Less than, sir.
It will be always less than 1. It will never be equals to 1. Do you understand? All combined 7
Yes, sir.
refractive index is 1. Now individually they are asking. So red light to the blue light, it is always refractive index is what? It is less than. So all of you remember this. Less than 1 it is. Okay. Ratio of the refractive index of red light to the blue light is always what?
Less than one.
Less than 1. So suppose they will ask you reverse. Blue light to the red light?
Greater than 1.
Greater than 1.
Sir.
That remember. Okay. So here remember, refractive index of
Sir, can you say the question? Can you teach it again, sir?
red light, the speed is much more than the blue light. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So that it is faster. Faster in the sense of what?
Refractive index will be less, sir.
Less than 1. Understanding? So now blue light to the red light means blue light is slower. So that what is happening, Sri? The greater than 1. Do you understand? Always will compare with the air. Equals to 1 Understanding? Less than 1,
Okay, sir.
greater than 1. Now, red light
Okay,
is
sir.
much faster than the blue light, so that it is refract index is less than 1.
Less than 1.
Next, blue light is much slower than the red light, so refract index will come greater than 1.
Greater than 1.
The same speed, then it is equals to 1. Do you understand, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That is how to remember. So we have a 3 phenomena of refractive indexes, equals to 1, less than 1, greater than 1. So much faster than that, it is less than 1. So here red light they are asking. So red light is much faster, yes or no? So
Less than 1.
So refractive index will be less only, sir.
that is okay. Next, which of the following correctly represents graphical relation between angle of incident and angle of refraction? Graphical relation.
Reflection, sir.
Sir,
Angle of
option D.
Angle of reflection they are asking. Option D. How it is? Very good. Because it is the linear graph.
Angle of, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Always angle of incident is equal to what?
Incident equal
Is
to
equal to angle
angle
of
of
reflection.
Angle of reflection. So this
So
is
that it will be a linear
Yes.
graph.
so it will be always in a linear graph. Angle of incident, angle of reflection.
Angle of
Angle of
reflection.
incident, angle of reflection. Angle of incident, angle of reflection. All
Angle
of
of-
it is equal. Yes or no? So that is why it is what? Linear magnification. Sorry, linear always. It is a linear graph. Okay. So kindly remember that. Yeah. Angle of incident is equals to angle of reflection. That is what. It is reflection only, correct? That is what.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The magnification of a concave mirror is -1. -1. So concave mirror -1. Remember, it is a real or virtual?
None of these, sir. None
The
of
image,
these.
So
Real
real
image.
where the object is placed, anybody can say between F and
2F.
2F.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So it
Yes,
implies
sir.
the object must get the focus.
Sir, sir, -1 means at 2F, no, sir.
Oh, very good. Sorry. Yeah, Arvind, what are you are also saying mistake. So at 2F. Very good. At 2F. So the image formed is virtual.
None of these, sir.
Formed is erect. So none of this. As we know, it will place at 2F, we will get the same size. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That is. So same size and the distance between the object and the image is 0. Correct? 0 centimeter.
Yes, sir.
That is how to remember. So -1 indicate what? Real, and -1 indicate at the 2F. Yes or no, Karthikeya? At the 2F, image is placed. That is why. So image is formed, object is placed. That is so. That is what. Very good. So next question: a full length image of a object, a distance tall building can be definitely seen by which mirror? Plane mirror we cannot. A full building.
Yes, sir. Convex mirror, sir. Convex mirror.
Convex.
Cannot see.
Convex mirror.
Magnified. image.
convex mirror, sir.
Mirror. Because
Because we get a
the full-
diminished image in everything,
Diminished
sir, in
image.
convex mirror.
yeah, because of maximum view. Yes or no? Rare view mirror.
Yes, sir.
We can see the whole view.
Mirror, yes, rare view mirror, we can see a larger, wider view. So that is why we can use which mirror? Akhil Irfan? Convex.
Convex mirror.
Convex mirror.
Prashini, Tarani, Madhumita, answer.
Yes.
Answer to my question. That is so. Convex mirror is the correct answer. Are you clear, guys? That is.
Yes, sir.
Next, the magnification of a spherical mirror is +or-2. +or-2. So means one time virtual,
Concave, sir.
one time virtual, one time real. Do you understand?
Time real.
Both it is.
Concave, sir.
So both it will
Okay.
form between F and P. Both it will form here between F and 2F. Is it yes, guys? These are the cases.
Yes,
So
sir.
it will be formed by only concave mirror.
Concave.
Concave mirror. It will never form by plane mirror or convex mirror.
Yes, sir.
So it is asking mirror means concave. If it is lens means what? Lens means what will come?
Convex, sir.
Convex lens. Alni understand Alni?
Yes,
Varshini?
sir. Yes, sir.
Irfan, everybody. That is careful. The next question is thinking question. Be careful. This is regarding mirrors, but it is not a new question for us. It is regarding mirrors, but it is not a new question for us. Easily you people can solve. Let me see. A point source of light P is placed at a distance L in front of a mirror of width D. D next hung vertically on a wall. Now a man walks in front of the mirror along a line parallel to the mirror at a distance of 2L. At a distance of what? At a distance
2L.
of 2L
2L.
as shown in the figure. As shown in the figure. Now the greatest distance over which he can see the image of the light source in the mirror is they are asking. So can you answer please? Options also I can give you. So D by 2, D, 2D or 3D. So try to read the question. If you read the question, you people can understand very easy. Anybody? So now read the question from first. I will explain. Read the question. A point source
A
of
point
source
source
of
of
light
P
P
is placed at a distance L.
this is the point source of light. Understanding? P is placed at a distance L in front of the mirror of width D. Understanding? Now hung vertically on a wall. So this is the width D. Okay, and this is the point source P which has been placed at in front of the L distance. Distance between the plane mirror and the point source is what? Now L. Yes, guys. Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
So the distance between
Yes,
the
sir.
man and the mirror is 2L, sir.
2L.
Next. Now a man walks in front of the mirror along a line parallel to the mirror at a distance 2L. 2L
The
as
distance between the man and the mirror is 2L.
shown in the figure. As shown in the figure. Now the distance between from the mirror and the person is how much? 2L distance. Okay. Now what is the greatest distance over which he can see the image of the light source in the mirror they are asking. So observe very carefully and you tell me. So now what is that? Check it carefully. Yes. What is the date?
3 by 2.
So here, don't think that distance means this is. Distance means this length of the mirror here. So how much distance he can able to see that. So be very careful and tell. Here object is, this is the plane mirror which has been placed, a light source is in front of the mirror at the L distance it has been placed. Now a man moves 2L distance in front of it. 2L distance in front.